finally, we have chosen a destination. A monument is. And here, this is the Delhi's first signature beach. And here, you can see the Yamuna River. It's flowing from my left side. And when you will see back, so we can see the signature beach which situated over it. And this is the most beautiful tunnel in Delhi. You can see the underpass, which can lead you to the India Gate. And whenever I just pass through here, I always enjoy the ride because it has been decorated with the pictures and with the paintings. So and the lights are there. So it is, it is gonna be the gonna experience whenever you are going past through. Finally, we crossed the tunnel and have reached at the India Gate circle, and you can see the climb of India Gate, okay, under the trees. And this is also a great place to visit, and people usually come here to spend their weekend, and it's a family picnic spot in Delhi. So this is the main entrance gate of Jamali and Kamali Mosque and Tom. Let's go inside and check out. Okay, when you would just enter inside, you can see this. There's the instruction, and this is the total instruction when it was built, and it is about the mosque and the place. Okay. Hey everyone, this is Alan here. We are back with a new vlog. As I promised you, we are gonna shortly meet you in our next vlog. So finally, we have chosen a destination. A monument is Jamali and Kamali, which is the most haunted place in Delhi. It's situated in Mehroli archaeological complex, right? So today we have the mystery of Jamali and Kamali. Why this place is claimed to be haunted, why people do not come here. Okay, so this is the mosque and the other side is the tomb. So we are gonna take a deep knowledge, okay, about this place. You can see at the behind of me, you can see that place. So, firstly, I would like to say this is the beautiful place. You can see it has been many years, but it's still the structure, the monument is standing here. And yes, it is not in good condition. It's required the renovation work. Okay, but before I visited this place, I search out by the Google, and I just came to know that there are a number of rumors about this place. As I told you that this place is claimed to be haunted, and this is not what people suggest. They just and many people have experienced some activities, some abnormal activities in this place when they visit inside the mosque. Okay, and some even have mentioned that they were slapped by any invisible personality. So such rumors you can just check out on the Google, where you will come to know about the place. So that's why people just avoid to visit this place. But I don't know if it is right or wrong. So because we are first time I have visited this place and I just come to know about so many rumors. So I just thought to shoot my first vlog here in this mosque, because I also want to experience this beauty, because it's so beautiful. It's the architecture and the way they build it. So it's amazing. And I would suggest you at least come here at least one time. It's situated in archaeological park, okay, in Mehroli. So it's not far from here. So if you want to travel by the metro, so I would suggest you to the nearest metro station is Qutub Minar, and it is situated approximately 1 kilometer away from the station. So it is not far, too far. Let's have a look over the story, Jamali and Kamali Mosque and tomb. So it is a rumor about Jamali and Kamali. Kamali was his wife, and some even mentioned they were both homosexual partners. The monument was built in 1528 to 29. Jamali was a famous person. He was a poet. He was a saint, Sufi saint. So, but we have a lot of documentary, okay, regarding Jamali. So Jamali was a great personality. He was a well-known person around India, and also he was in the habit of visiting the world. But we don't have any perfect and any great clue about Kamali. Like, who was that? When people see there is another grave of one person whose name was Kamali, then they started to search out about him. Who was the kind? Who was the man? Then I searched out on the Google also. I read a lot, and there are many fake, you can say, fake documentary about Kamali. There is no one who can just, say that confidently that who was that. Some said he was a girl, he was the Jamali wife, and even many says that he was a man, and they have had homosexual activities together. So I don't believe that these two lovers can do such thing. Finally, the conclusion is that I am gonna prefer you to visit at least one time here and experience the nature, experience the monument. Okay. We never believe those rumors, okay, that there is something that is lost or there is true. Okay, so this is not the way we are gonna prefer. And I would request you to come here and visit and experience it. If there is something that is gonna touch you, you are gonna have to do it. And this is the door, and it's actually remained closed. And here we can see a tomb, and you can see the two graves. These graves belongs to Jamali and Kamali, and this area is totally restricted. No one is allowed to be visit inside. Let's go. We are going to the another place. Monument is done by the Raja Ki Babu, and we are going to explore this one also, because it is located at the same place. So why not let's come together and explore the another beauty. And there is also a park where people come and sit together and they take lunch here. So this is the most beautiful place, and it is full of green. So finally we have reached at the tomb of Sri, who was the son of Bhavanga. You must have watched in the movie Sodhar. So we are going to go through. We need to just following this step to reach at the top. So just come inside and check out and enjoy the beauty of it. I'm sure you will definitely love this video and like it. And if in the future you want to experience such beautiful monuments in Bali, so just keep associating with us, because in future in our upcoming videos we are going to explore some more beautiful places in Bali where I would suggest you to visit at least one time. So this is gonna be the great glorious journey of us, which one we have taken step into it. And definitely we are gonna explore a lot more with the help of this channel. So keep learning, keep watching, and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the very first notification if you are new here. So thank you, bye bye, have a wonderful day. Keep watching, and I'm gonna see you in our next video very soon.